Wait, don't touch the balls.
Don't touch the balls.
You don't touch the balls. Don't touch the balls. We cannot. Wait.
Wait.
Yeah. Ask someone else for it. Ask someone else.
Ask the judge.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, you don't have preload?
Starting with Delaware, no. Running in from Vietnam is team 24751, GreenAms Robotics team. Over on the Blue Lions of Indonesia, it's team 26501.
It's fine. We're farming OPR anyways, right?
Pick up your controllers. Pick up your controllers.
Scarsdale Robo Raiders. 3, 2.
And just gate cycle. Steal first. Steal and get out. And now keep gate cycling. Okay. Stay calm. Deep breath. Slow stay. You got this. Sour game. Good that. Got this. Get out. And gate cycle. After this, go close. There's a few balls there. Nice. Okay, and now gate cycle. You're doing great. Okay, get out, and we are doing well. Trim that. Let's just keep gate cycling, increasing our MP OBR. Okay, good. Deep breath. Close. Very close. Okay.
I don't know why I didn't get those.
It's fine. Alright, just play calm, close, very close. And keep going. After this, gate intake. And let's just keep cycling. You're doing great. Remember to not overwork that. And just keep going. Okay. Final clear. And to get out of their base zone. Do not be in their base zone anymore. No more base zone. Close to us. Wait, don't actually be careful.
No, I'm not getting those.
Yeah. Just keep all purples. Yeah, just keep scoring. Keep going. Just don't go near them. Here. Be careful. Grab some here. And get out and shoot. Score these and park. Good.
Okay. That's the end of qualification match number 117. We'll be back shortly with those results.
I think that's a full. Is that a full? Dude, can you see it?
He gave us 2 thumbs up.
We can only hope. Kevin, we can only hop.
Happy about that. Oh, Westchester Prep. Oh, it's school. Wait, go down.
Just to get more sponsors.
Oh, yeah.
Sponsor us. We need money.
Oh, good.
Yellow cardboard.
We got a bad penalty in like second match.
Oh.
Yeah. Please be blue.
Please be in the Papa game.
Let's go.
Wait, was that an OPR gain?
That was an OPR game.
Okay.
And it's slight, but it's an OPR game.
We gained OPR, guys.
Wait, we weren't supposed to win that game. We were supposed to lose that like decisively.
Wait, why?
Mo bugged. Mo broke.
The red lanes will feature 21 to 25.